Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. Now today I'm back with another Mumbai food guide video, but rather than trying weird stuff, this time I'm trying what I think are some of the best desserts in Mumbai. Now these desserts include things like waffles, cookies, ice cream and cupcakes. Now the places I'm going to are located in Bandra and Juhu, and these are the places that I've been to and that I really love. As I discover more places in Mumbai, I'm sure you'll get like parts 2 and 3 of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media to be updated with my video upload schedule. And now, let's get started. The first place that we're going to is called Swedish House Mafia in Pali Hill. Let's go. Swedish House Mafia has outlets all over Mumbai, and though it offers things like coffee and milkshakes, the best thing to have here, in my opinion, are the cookies. With its extremely open and comfy design, this place welcomes you in and makes you want to sit down, maybe play a few games, and enjoy those delectable cookies. The one cookie that you have to try over here is the Nutella and sea salt cookie. It is unlike any cookie I have ever had, and it is just amazing. The sea salt like cuts through the Nutella, like the sweetness of the Nutella, and each bite is like decadent and soft and gooey and wonderful. Our next stop is Belgian Waffle, which is near Juhu Beach. Let's go. This shop is also located in various places all over Mumbai, and it offers a wide variety of waffles and shakes. Again, it has a pretty open design with some really cute wall art. And of course, games. So the waffle that I ordered is the Nutella waffle with vanilla ice cream. And what I absolutely love about this particular waffle is that it is crispy on the outside and it is sort of like creamy and oozy and filled with Nutella and vanilla ice cream on the inside, and it is just amazing. Our next stop is Guilt Trip. This shop is situated off Carter Road in Union Park. Let's go. This small little pastry shop has a lot of guilty pleasures inside it, like macaroons, cakes, pastries, and my absolute favorite thing to have over here, cupcakes. The best thing to have at this place are the cupcakes. These are so delicious. I mean, the cake part of the cupcakes are so soft and moist and just amazing. And the buttercream and the cream cheese frosting on it is lovely. And even though it's so rich, it doesn't matter because they have these really tiny bite-sized cupcakes which are amazing. Our next stop is called Where's My Cone in Bandra. This ice cream parlor also has various other locations in Mumbai, and what I absolutely love about this place is the different types of ice cream flavors you get here. You get things like pan, bundi laddu and filter coffee, and trust me guys, they taste incredible. Now this shop has a lot of variety, so you can get milkshakes, just normal ice cream. But my favorite is the cookie sandwich. So what I have is salted caramel ice cream in between two snickerdoodle cookies, and it is amazing. The salted caramel ice cream isn't too sweet, and the snickerdoodle cookies have cinnamon on them, which is my absolute favorite. Our last stop is an ice cream parlor by the name of Menchie's in Khar. You get really nice frozen yogurt over here. Let's go. This place has the most amazing concept. So basically all you have to do is pick up a cup, then fill that cup with whatever frozen yogurt you want. You can mix around and play with whatever flavor combinations you like. Then you can add whatever toppings you like. and in the end, you pay for your ice cream by its weight. I think it's a really interesting concept, and the frozen yogurt is also quite yum. What I absolutely love about this place is the concept. So the things that I got were passion fruit sorbet, the mango ice cream, some fruit jellies, and the green apple boba. It is just so delicious. The passion fruit sorbet has this really light and natural feel to it, and the mango ice cream, because it's fat free, also has this really, like, it actually tastes like the mango fruit. So it is amazing and I love it. So yeah, that was my video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you've been to any of these dessert places in Mumbai. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!